is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, I'm 28 and I live in Pittsburgh, PA. And in this video, I am going to be doing a shop my closet spring fashion inspired video, although it is a chilly 39 degrees here today on the East Coast, even though it is actually April. So that being said, these outfits are probably geared a little bit more towards if you live in a cooler climate. I'm also really excited to be partnering and collaborating on this video with my dear friends Anna Swanzo and Kezzy's Corner. So be sure you check out their channels. They're going to be making similar videos to this spring fashion inspiration. So I'll leave both of their channels linked down below in the description box. So make sure you go over to their videos, give them some thumbs up, leave some nice comments, and check out their channels. I've been friends with Anna for a long time here on YouTube. She makes a ton of great, real, authentic product review videos. She also shares fashion and just different things about her daily life. She's very interesting, so definitely go check out her channel. Kezzy, she is someone that I'm a little bit new to, but she creates a lot of great content. She has great editing. She does morning routines, she does vlogs, she does product reviews, makeup, everything like that. So definitely also check out her channel, and let's roll the tapes and get into this week's video. So for this video, I'm going to be shopping my closet because I am saving money for a wedding and I just really cannot afford to spend extra money on clothes. So I'm going to be trying to like recreate outfits that I've done in the past, and just pulling out some old staples that I still think you can make new or trendy or tailor towards the spring season. So this is my first outfit, and it's definitely for those of us who live in colder climates, because if you live down south, this is probably too hot for a spring look. But I have this little green cropped cardigan from the brand Lush. I got it at Nordstrom Rack, and I'm obsessed with these little scalloped sleeves and the little cutouts. I feel like it's the perfect shirt to go out. You could also definitely pair this with a pair of white jeans, but I have mine paired with the Madewell Vintage Classic straight leg jeans, and I love these. They're so comfortable, they wash so nicely, and I feel like they're the perfect light blue wash. I would recommend these for those of us who are a little bit taller, like 5'7" and up. If you're petite, I feel like these would be way too long on you. And I have them paired with these white sneakers from Steve Madden with the little stars on them. I love these sneakers, I wear them all the time, but of course you could pair these with any white sneakers. But that is my first spring look outfit inspiration. Okay, you guys, it is a different day. I'm trying to film this video in real time so you can see kind of the outfit with the makeup, hair inspiration, all of that. So today's spring inspired outfit is this white and blue flannel from Target with this white cropped tank from Amazon. I'll definitely link these tanks below because I know they're still available, and I have two necklaces layered here. Both are from, or I think this one's from Miranda Fry and this one is from Macy's. I love layering a necklace with a simple white shirt, and I feel like the flannel is just like cozy casual vibes. I'm actually going to the mall today, but I feel like this could be a perfect outfit if you're going to like a casual dinner, like a Mexican restaurant type of vibe, or going over to hang out with your friend or boyfriend or whatever. But then I also paired it with these boyfriend jeans from Target. They are distressed at the knees, this lighter wash, and I've had them for years. They've held up really well. That's one thing about Target jeans. I find even though they're really affordable, they actually hold up really nicely over time, and I just get so much use out of these jeans. This is my third outfit inspiration. It is this floral dress from American Eagle, and I've had it for years, but I feel like floral dresses are perfect transitions to spring because you can pair it with a pair of tights like I did, or you can go rogue and not wear any tights. But I just love this because it gives you the opportunity to feel springy while also staying warm if you live over here in the Northeast like I do, where it's literally 20 degrees today and it's already spring. It's past spring, but it's 20 degrees. So that is the OOTD and the third thing from my shop my closet. So this is my last outfit. It is this blue and white pinstripe dress from Express. I got it last fall, but I think it's still available, so I'll try to link it down below. I feel like this outfit is just super springy. It's like business casual. You could also wear it for Easter, brunch out with the girls, whatever the case may be. And then I paired it with these tan open-toed shoes from ASOS. Love them, very versatile. And then my cream shoulder bag from Target. So this is my final outfit. And we're back. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Anna and Kezzy's channels as well. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!